Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing my secret recipe for the ultimate barbecue sauce. I've actually never shared this recipe with anyone, but I'm going to share it today. I think it's time that it came out and was known. And I use this barbecue sauce for everything from pulled pork to burgers on the grill, which is what I'm going to use it for today. So I would say taste it. And if you like more garlic, add more garlic. If you like more sweet, add more sweet. Adjust it to what you like. And I will say we like spicy barbecue sauce, and this is a little bit spicy. So if you taste it while it's on the stove here, it's going to taste really spicy. But keep in mind, it doesn't taste that spicy when it's on the food. It's just enhancing the flavor of the food. So keep that in mind. You're just going to want to let it cook on the stove and thicken up just a tiny bit. And like I said, I'm going to put this on burgers. I am using store-bought frozen burgers, and I'm going to share my secret with how I make those taste amazing. Number one, the barbecue sauce makes them. As soon as I put them on the grill, frozen, I add worcestershire and seasoning salt and just kind of spread that over the top of the frozen burgers. I close the lid and let them cook down just a bit, and then I'll flip them over. So as they're kind of thawing, the seasoning is soaking in to the meat. And like I said, I'll flip them over after the other side is cooked a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and start adding my barbecue sauce. So I'll add a layer of that, and I'll close my lid and let that cook down a bit. Once that side is done, I'll go ahead and flip them over and add another layer of barbecue sauce. So if you like your burgers medium, you might want to take them off sooner, but we like ours well done. So I'll flip them over one more time and add another layer of barbecue sauce. So as it's cooking on the grill, it gets really thickened on the burger and sticky, and it's just so good. It like caramelizes the entire burger, and it's so good.
Our burgers are done.
Look at that.
Perfect.
There's just enough left in here to add to your burger if you want to. Okay guys, my full recipe will of course be down in the description box below, and I really hope you like it. I hope you try it, and I really hope you like it. That, my friends, is the perfect burger. And the barbecue sauce is what made it.